Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial on further simplification of algebraic fractions. Hopefully you all have watched the previous video on the introduction on how to simplify algebraic fractions. Okay, so this tutorial is a step higher. The questions are slightly tougher, that's all. Okay, so without wasting any more time, I'm going to start to show you how to do this kind of question. Okay, so we have number one that goes by 3x minus 5 over 2 minus 5x minus 3 over 3 minus 6. So this time we have three fractions that we need to add or subtract them. So let us inspect how to do this question. Okay, so just a reminder, this is 6 as a 6 whole. We know this is 6 over 1. Okay, so between these three denominators, 2, 3, and 1, their lowest common denominator will be 6. Okay, so we are going to do what I mentioned in previous tutorial, which is to combine all three fractions. Okay, so combine all three fractions, we draw this one long line to indicate we're combining them all. So the first fraction must multiply by 3. So we know this one is 3 times by 3x minus 5. Second one must multiply by 2. So 2 times by 5x minus 3. While the last one is, we have to multiply by 6. Okay. So this one will give us 9x minus 15 minus 10x plus 6 minus 36. Okay, 3 and 3 is 9, 3 and 5 15, 2 and 5 10, 2 and 3 is 6, 6 and 6 36. The whole thing over 6. So now what we need to do is just simplify all our numerator. So 9 minus 10 is negative x. So negative x minus 15, this one will become minus 30. So this is minus 45. So minus 45 over 6. Okay, not much difference, just that there are more fractions that we need to deal with. Okay, let's look at example number 2. Okay, the difference with example number 2 and 3, number 2 and 1 is the second example we already have a multiplier in front of our expression at the numerator. Okay, so let me show you how to make it lesser complicated. Okay, so we have 2 and x minus 1 plus 4 with x plus 2 here. Okay, this is over 3, this is over 5. Okay, so between these two, 3 and 5, their LCM is 15, right? So we have to make it to 15 here. So we know we must multiply by 5 on the first part. So we have to put 5 and then followed by the original 2 and the original x minus 1 plus the second one we need to multiply by 3, and then this is 4 and x plus 2, which are the original expression. Okay, so what I suggest that we do is we simplify whatever is the numbers first, between 5 and 2, and then between 3 and 4. Okay, we simplify these two first, then we simplify the rest. Okay, so this will give us 10 and x minus 1 plus 12 and x plus 2 here. Okay, so now we have an expression that is not as complicated. Okay, so we have 10x minus 10 plus 12x plus 24, the whole thing over 15. Okay, this will bring us to 22x plus 14 over 15. Okay, it's not so complicated, just that you have to be very careful when you deal with this section here. Okay, for those of you who are confident enough, you can definitely skip this one. Okay, you can definitely skip this step. You can just do 5 times 2 is 10 times x equals to 10x, and then 5 times 2 is 10 times minus 1 is minus 10. Okay, but of course you have to be very proficient in this and be very careful not to make any careless mistakes. Okay, so this is how we do this kind of slightly complicated questions on simplification of algebraic fractions. Okay, so this is good. Let us get back to our worksheet and our assessment books to practice some questions. Okay, so thank you. I see you at our next tutorial.